Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create dynamic named ranges in Google Sheets. Now, if you've ever dealt with lists or tables that are always growing or shrinking, you know how annoying it can be to keep updating your formulas. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a named range that automatically adjusts as your data changes. Not only will this save you time, but it'll also make your spreadsheets way more reliable and easier to maintain. Let's jump right in. Let's say you've already got some data to work with. Maybe it's a list of sales numbers or product quantities. Entered down column G. First thing you'll do is move over to cell J5. Here, type in the formula equals count G2 G1000 plus 1. What's this doing? Well, count G2 G1000 looks at all the entries in column G, specifically rows 2 through 1000, and counts how many cells contain numbers. The plus 1 at the end is there to ensure you include that first cell where your data starts. This approach makes sure that as you add or remove items from your list, the count always reflects the current data range. Don't worry if your data doesn't go all the way down to row 1000, this just gives lots of room for your list to expand later. Next, head to cell K5 and enter this formula. Equals sheet 2 G2 G and J5. Now this step combines a little bit of Google Sheets magic. What you're doing here is creating a text string that represents your data range. So for example, if J5 equals 25, then K5 becomes sheet 2 G2 G25. This makes the next step a breeze. Just a heads up, the sheet name, in this case sheet 2, needs to match where your data actually is. If your data is on a different sheet, be sure to update that part accordingly. Now let's actually turn that range into a helpful named range. Go up to the menu, click on Data, then Find and select Named Ranges. You'll get a side panel popping up. Click Add a Range, and when prompted, name your range something meaningful. I'll call mine Total Sales. Now, instead of selecting a traditional cell range, paste in the string from K5. This is the secret sauce that makes your range dynamic, since it references the value we built with formulas, not just a static block of cells. Take a moment here and double-check your references. This is an easy spot to accidentally refer to the wrong cell or type the wrong sheet name. Moving on, let's see this dynamic named range in action. Go down to cell J8 and enter the formula equals sum indirect total sales. Let me break that down for you. Indirect takes the text string that represents your data range and turns it into a real usable range. Total sales is the name we just set up, and the sum function adds up everything in that range. So now, when you add or remove numbers in your G column, the sum in J8 updates automatically. You never need to fix your formula again. And that's it, you've set up a truly dynamic named range in Google Sheets. This technique is a game changer for anyone working with evolving data sets. It keeps your formulas flexible and cuts down on errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with anyone who might need it. Got questions or want more tips like this? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.